Morning. A little early. This is what's on the agenda for today. Got the wrong reflection there. That's a Camillus G10 Tonto blade carbonitride titanium. I'm going to give it a workout this morning. So sit here with me, listen to the hawks, and we'll get a fire going. Then we're going to cut up some of these boxes. I'm going to cut up some of the boxes to get the fire going. See what happens. Let's give it a workout. There's the knife. Dual thumb studs. Pocket clip. One position. Nice knife. Lightweight. So, nice. I've been carrying it for about a week, I guess. Nice and sharp. Cutting through some tape right there. Watch out, be careful. Yeah, I think I'm going to make a cardboard fire this morning. Won't last for long, I'm sure. Nice. Nice Tonto blade. Some tape and some paper on the back side. As I'm going through this part of the review, you can see the liner lock right in there. I can feel that right on my finger right here. It's starting to annoy me a little bit. I've been doing this a couple minutes. So, see how I'm holding it? Yeah. That right there. The liner lock's starting to dig into me. So, we'll see. Just things you notice when you're forcing a knife to work. You know, most guys don't grab their knife and give it this type of workout unless they're doing some sort of review. You know, if you're at home or the office or at work, whatever, you pull your knife out, you open the box, you open the letter, you cut the plastic straps. Get a fire going there, man. This is getting old. Gotta have a fire going, don't you? Still cut some more box. Still working at it. I just threw that paper in there. No sense. No organization. Nice and light. Small. Probably about, I don't know, 6.5 inches open. overall length. I'll get back to the knife in a minute. Nothing like a fire going on a nice cool morning in Florida. Can't say cold because some of you guys are getting friggin' hammered right now with snow. Sorry for you, but you gotta like it. I'd like to come over and help you shovel. Really, I would. So, back to the knife, or thinking about the knife. It's the Camillus, as I pointed out before, Carbonitride Titanium VG10 steel. I'm sorry, VG10 steel. I don't even know what that is. Down here it says 10 times harder. Blades stay sharper and longer. So that's what I'm here really to do today, is just not actually complete the review, but to give the knife a little workout and see how it performs, see how the edge holds up. And you're actually getting to see me do the review. This won't complete the review. This will just show you how I conduct a review. So that's what we're doing. We're just cutting stuff, seeing how the knife feels. How does it fit? I mean, ribs, fits on the hand. Nice. Careful there. Notice we got a fire even going here. A little bit of that there. And we're just, do some trimming, see what happens. This is how I do a review. Give it a workout, hold it, close it, open it, cut it, use it to cut with. Let's see, if I did a normal review, it might take me a year to use a knife. So what I have to do is fast forward it, because there's a couple other knives in line for review. I got a case, watch out, that's getting a little warm there. Case, the new tan lockback that's in for review, sent to me from the Eiffel Tower in Radford, PA. But right now we're just giving this bad boy a workout. See how it works. Just trying to dull the edge. See what happens. Trying to keep things going. Grab your coffee. Sit down. Cardboard is brutal on the knife edge. Still going, man. Still cutting pretty nice. I've had this knife for, what's today, 9th February. I've had it for a week. Been carrying it with me. First thing I do with every knife is cut the tip of my cigar head. Just want to peel off a little bit of the top layer right there. So that's what I'm doing, hanging out on some cardboard. See how the knife performs. Still doing pretty good. Goes out to got a couple of friends I want to make a quick shout out to. Knife collector. Got their hat on today. And guy and his wife, Mike and Josie over at Bushcraft Barons. Huge fan of theirs on the YouTube channel. Bushcraft Barons, all one word. And this guy always, whatever he's doing, he always has a fire going, and I'm trying to follow in his footsteps and have a fire going when I'm doing a knife review. Of course, that'll stop here in another month and a half or 2 months when, it's 87 degrees at 6 o'clock in the morning in Florida. No need to have a fire because you walk right into one. So that's what we're up to today. But you can see it's still performing. I bought a piece of paper. It's a little moist, so I don't know if it's going to work. See if we can. Oh yeah. We'll use a little touch up maybe. It's moist and it's not holding. There we go. It's not holding. There she is. Oh yeah, man. This thing's still. I mean, granted, I haven't given it a huge workout. Carrying it for a week, opened a couple of boxes. But this is what we're up to. That's it. That's what I'm working on, tearing up today. So, thanks for checking in. You'll see the results eventually, how this rascal scores. Talk to you soon. See ya.